That right there is a 1968 Mercury Cougar XR7 428 car. Here's a 1966 GTO sitting in the yard, and it's got a Chevy 350 in it. And unfortunately, since I was here last, there's a little bit more tree cover to the where it was, but it's definitely someone's hot rod. It has Krager SS rims, big and small. And then let's see what we got here. Is it engine? And I know my friend Doug went through this last time, and it is a real 242 car. Looks like it has a 4-speed in it. Bucket seat, gold interior. And then, unfortunately, we got Dodge water holes. Oh, it's still got the key in the trunk. That's funny. And then there's a gold Le Mans over there. And then an international pickup truck. But the GTO is actually pretty complete. And then he said there's a cool truck over here. Oh. Camaro. Ooh, a Dodge. No, Chevy. Then here's a Ford. And a Dakota. I don't know if you can tell. I can't really see through the reeds. But it's right there is a 1984 Hearst Olds T-top car that was rolled. Unfortunately, there's no easy way to get to it right now. But maybe in the future. 56 Buick two-door right there. And then a 60-4 Mustang. And I don't know what's on the other side. But a few cool cars. And we're just keep on walking. Oh, here's a TSI Conquest. Here's a Conquest. People go crazy for these things nowadays. That's cool. I posted a picture of a barn find one a little bit ago, a blue one. And that right there is a 1968 Mercury Cougar XR7 428 car. The owner who bought it way back when wanted the car for the engine, so he took the engine out, just threw it around, and ended up in this junkyard. It's their hot rod. My friend Gary, he's currently walking around and checking it out. It does have the extra tower supports for the 428. That's cool. And it's got some truck gas tanks in it. And let me see, is it an automatic or... Yeah, automatic on the floor. Bucket seat car. Very cool. All right. Real quick, because I'm not going to kill myself again. Especially since I have a video on it before. But up there is a 1969 Mach 1 Mustang. And it's on top of a bus. And I don't know if you can tell, the door has been open so long, a tree grew from the ground up past the door, and you can't close the door anymore. That's crazy. When I was here a long time ago, I have better pictures and video of the Mustang, which I'll add in, but you can see it's way up there. It is up there. Now we gotta make our way back through this to get out. Oh yeah, I see the Corvette frame, or the body's here. C3 Corvette. Like it burned? Yeah. Yeah, it burned, but it's still got the engine in it. Here we are in Michigan. It's April, right?
April
16th? Think so. And we're in the middle of a junkyard. And we're currently on top of some buses where, of course, you would store your 1969 Mach 1 Mustang.
Automatic?
Automatic car?
Fold down back seat.
Fold down back seat. Are you really going to try to get around the front? Oh, that makes sense.
(9F02M) 351.
Ooh, cool.
193128.
Very cool. I don't know, is that a rare Mach 1 or not rare? Or
It's not a big block car, just a 351. Put your finger through a lot of this stuff, so
crap. All right.
and the front frame rails are gone.
Yeah, I can see through them through here. All right, crud. Well, on to the next 69 Mach 1.
Yep.
This yard is absolutely incredible. When I was there the first time in 2016, I was so excited that I went back the next week to document it more fully. And fortunately enough, most of the stuff since then in 2016 is still there. But a few cars have been sold, like that 67 GTO that you saw with the 428 with the dual 4 barrels, the Chevelle. But most of the cars are there. And it's funny, that Travco is the closest Travco to the home where they were built in Brown City, Michigan. All of these cars are for sale. I have the owner's information and email in the description. Not every car you see, though, is still there. I'm mixing up some of the video with pictures that I took back in 2016. But the videos are recent, so if you see it in the video, then it is still there, and I'll have a lot more coming up here shortly. Hey there, automotive adventurers. I hope you enjoyed this first little video from my friend's yard in Michigan. Yes, everything in that yard, I think, is for sale. The GTOs, everything you'll see in the next few videos is for sale. Even that 69 Mach 1 Mustang on top of the bus. If you know how to get it down, you can probably get it for a really good deal. I put all the owner's information in the description below. You can contact them directly at the email and they'll get back to you. But if you have any comments or questions or need any other information, if I can provide it, I will. Of course, my information is down below. This week, did a lot. Been working in the garage. There's been a few nice days. I put up some new lights. I don't know if you can tell, the lighting in here is really nice and even now. Put up new lights, cleaned, moved, cleaned all that. Actually worked on the green car a little bit. I will be working more on it this week. It's been in the low 80s and not a lot of humidity. So I got 2 fans in here. With them going, it's been not terrible. And I hope to get more done, but we'll see. This coming weekend is the Belvedere Mopar happening in Belvedere, Illinois. I will be there both Saturday and Sunday doing photography and videos and other shenanigans. Friday and Saturday, separate from the Mopar show, there's a B-29 bomber car show also going at the Janesville airport. Like I said, there's going to be a B-29 and some other vintage aircraft on their way to the EAA show. So I'll be there Friday, I think, for that. So yeah, it's going to be a good weekend. Hot, probably, but it's always hot, you know, in the middle of summer. And what else? I screwed up the green car, put a big old scratch in the passenger side quarter panel because I don't know if you can tell, I put in a new shelving unit in the back corner. When I move something around, it scraped the quarter when I put it back. Just more stuff to fix in the long term. But I hope, I did the brakes on this. That's right. The big thing I did this week with the green car was I bled all the brakes. And I'm going to put a picture of what came out of the back left brakes. And then I'll put a picture of what happened when we did all 4. It wasn't pretty. I know now I have to bleed all the brakes, but I didn't have an opportunity to go check the system before I had to put the car away because it was getting dark. So yeah, that was cool. And today, 16 years ago, I picked up my blue car, the 2009 Challenger RT Classic that I special ordered from Dodge. I ordered the first day of availability of the B5 Blue Classic package. So that was really cool. I got it, that went through bankruptcy and I got it on the backside. Really, really crazy good deal. And I've had it ever since. It's got 289,000 miles on it as of like yesterday. And probably will put on another 289,000 the way things are going. And unfortunately, I do have to start fixing the rust. It's getting pretty bad in front of the rear wheels. And I'm worried about going even through like a pressure car wash and putting a hole through the quarter. So that's not fun. Let me know what you think. I know they have patch panels for that area, so I think that this winter I'm going to have a friend of mine fix it. Or if anyone else has any recommendations, let me know. Otherwise, I'll keep you guys all up to date in my social media on what's all going on. Until then, you guys stay safe.